Hey parents, want a fun activity that builds future skills? I'll show you where learning becomes a hands-on adventure. Welcome to the Neerada-VF Club for young innovators, ages 5 to 17. Here, students don't just watch, they design and build robots. With expert guidance, they code, collaborate, and solve real problems. See their confidence grow as they bring unique ideas to life. Then comes the best part, the epic robot soccer competition. This is where hard work pays off in creativity and teamwork. Ready for your child to join? This program costs just $90. Plus, the first 100 founding members will receive $20 off. Join now. Call 0205 559 6181 to enroll and let the adventure begin.